This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So we have the Philips Sonicare, and it has a really nice ultraviolet bulb that heats up and sterilizes the toothbrushes, but this one is no longer lighting up, so I took off the little plastic cover, just gave it a little bit of pry force on one side. It comes off, you can pull the bulb out, and I'm going to use my multi-tester. I got it set for continuity. You can hear if it has a circuit. I'm going to check between the bayonet and this end, and I get no reading, so there's a break in the filament, even though it's funny, it looks like the little springs are intact. This bulb is definitely toast, so that's why it wouldn't light up. I'll see if I can get a new one and just put that new one in. Pretty easy, right? Just clips in, put that back on, and you are done. Oh, I'm sorry, there's also a plastic case that goes here that you have to pry off, but it's easy to do. The other thing I want you guys to think of too is this piece goes in and closes a switch right here that's supposed to allow this circuit to turn on so that you can get the light, and if that isn't closing all the way, that can cause also this light bulb not to go on.